Here are some important object-oriented programming question with C++. The first question is, what is object-oriented programming? Object-oriented programming is a programming using object and classes to structure their code. C++ is not a completely object-oriented programming, whereas Ruby is a completely object-oriented programming. Second question is four pillar of object-oriented programming. First is encapsulation, which help us to hide data. Mm, It is not for hiding data, it is for binding data. It is for binding data. Okay, and sometimes it is for hiding, but main purpose is to binding data. Means binding methods and object methods and properties in one. Is the work of encapsulation. Second is inheritance. Inheritance is reusing code. Like if there is a class and there's two class where one class is inheriting the property of another class, means the class, let's suppose two class A, class B inherit the property of class A, means they are using the properties of class A, means they are reusing the code or reusing the code, and this pillar is called inheritance. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism mean showing many forms. Like uh, is there is a function where if we give a floating value, it will perform a function. If I give a string value, it will perform another function with the same name. It is giving the different output. This is the form that object-oriented programming has. And last is abstraction. Abstraction is hiding complexity, like hiding the thing which is not required, or showing only which is required to the user. And the seventh question is classes and object. Classes is just like a blueprint, and object is instance of class. Let's suppose class is an animal, and the dog is the object. Like animal is a broader term, and in the animal, dog is one of the animal, cat is one of the animal. Similarly, car, they and every animal have the properties. Like let's suppose we take an example of car. Car have a property named speed. You can take any car, it has some speed. Okay, what is constructor? Constructor is a function inside the class which is called automatically when the object is created. S- how we made a constructor? The same name. If we write a function with the same name, which is the name of our class, it will become our constructor. Construct and what is destructor? Destructor is something which is which is called when you destruct or destroy the object of of any class. We it is also have the same, it is also have the same name, our class have, just with a, what is this sign symbol, I don't remember. It is what is whatever it is, with this sign, if we name this method, whatever our class here, it is become destructor. What is function overloading? Function overloading is it is the same function name. Mean if a function have same name, but having different parameters. Like earlier, I give the example of when I give the string, it will giving the different output like this. Making this is called overloading. And like there is two function add and add. If I giving the integer value, it is giving the another it is calling the another function. If I giving the floating value, it is giving the another it is calling the another function. What is inheritance? One class inherit the property of another. let's suppose um let's suppose class A and class B, public A, mean that everything which is public in class A inherit by B. If class A has a property of speed in the public, then class B will also have the property of speed. Okay. Now, what is virtual function? Virtual function is used for runtime polymorphism. Like this is the example how to make virtual function. Okay.